Hi friend, once again welcome to Turnaround Academy program. Today is my second day of UAE, Dubai, and to evening 6 o'clock around I received SMS that my COVID report is clear and it's negative. So I went out and nearby my hotel there is a one sea beach. So I thought maybe it's a 5 minutes walking distance. So let's go there and see that how the outsides of that, because since yesterday I was in the hotel. So I just came out and passing through the roads and going toward the sea beach. You can see that the cars are going on and weather is very nice now, and I will show you that various hotels are open and people are coming around and going to the hotels. You can take your dinner, lunch also in the hotel. So you can say Dubai almost everything open, Only the thing is what you have to follow. You need to follow the government guideline. So like a mask is very much essential, maintaining the social distance, that is also essential. If you go inside the hotels, people has to sit accordingly. So these all arrangement has done, and very strictly, government has imposed the rule. So all the establishment they are following. You go to the mall, there is an entry, there is a procedure. They will check the temperatures, and they will provide you the hand gloves to go inside. So these all are there. So these all we need to maintain. So if you are maintaining all these, so it's a very nice, and there is no issue at all. So I'm just crossing the road and I'm very closer to now to the sea. Now I came to just near closer to the beach, and you can see behind me the restaurants are open. People are taking their dinner and enjoying. So you can say the hotels, restaurant, everything has been open in Dubai. And this is you can see behind me the sea. Very nice place in the evening. Very nice air, cold. And let me go to the closer to the beach. So you can see me. I'm just closer to the beach, and I think you can hear the sea sound. Very nice evening, and really it's great. I just want to remove this one and to show you. Oh, it's a very nice place, and it's a great stay here, and one day stay actually. Tomorrow I have to go to Abu Dhabi, so I don't want to miss this evening. So I came outside. As you know, the one I have once I have landed to the airport, I have done the test in the airport, and as per the procedure, the report will be given to the 24 hours. So today around I think 6 o'clock I have received the SMS. Then I go to the apps, Al-Husn apps, and it's showing the result is negative. So after that only I just came out to let us see that go to the beach side. Closer to my hotel is the beach, and you can see my behind this. And also if I can able to see the hotels behind me, you see the people are taking their the dinner. So I hope I able to capture the behind the scenes. So nothing to worry. So what I observe here, you have to take your self protection. Fine is very high. You must wear the mask and maintain the government rules and regulation, what has been given the guidelines, and that has to follow. And once you are following all these things, so it's safe. And if you are violating this, means you are compromising with your own safety as well as you are in trouble to other also. So maintain the social distance and use the mask and other formalities. Don't shake hand and other things, and try to avoid as much as possible to public gatherings, and if it is not necessary for you to go. So you can see that behind me I am alone here,
but so many people are there around. If I can able to capture few of them, it's okay. But if you go to the restaurant behind me, you can see that so many people are there. Correct? You can see that. So let me walk through this beach side. So maybe I will try to capture some more views for you, so that if you are planning to visit Dubai, you are most welcome. So it's a nice place. Come and enjoy here. But I came here for my own job. I don't came here to visit only. So it's I'm working here, so that's why I came. You can see some of the people are catching fish and me. You can see that they have the fishing liner. Let me try to talk to some of them if I can able to, and if I can show you something, so it will be great. Let me see. I'll try to talk to them. So it was very nice to talk. So you can hear that people are in the evening, they are coming here to catch the fish. So we catch only one fish today, and you can see the cat also here. If I am able to show you, this is the cat. See, where is the fish? Cat will automatically come. So you can see the fish and cat togetherly because he smell it. I am able to show you. I think I am able to capture this cat also very closer. See the cat. Because he smelled the fish, so he automatically came here and sit. So he's expecting he will get something. So very nice evening and very nice place. I came here in the seaside and I can see the people are using the fishing line to catch the fish. But so how is the day? You got something? Today is bad day, huh?
It's bad.
Oh, he said today he didn't get anything so far, correct? Or you catch one fish? You catch? How many? One. Huh? One fishing. He said he catch one, but generally you are getting more, huh? Huh?
After 1 hour.
Oh. So generally he is getting more, but today is bad luck. Only he able to manage one fish. Can I see that one? Huh? You can see. Oh, 1 minute. See, this is the fish today he catch here. So very nice. So morning we can come here to do the swimming. So water is good, very clean water I can see. So okay. So thank you, brother. Okay.
Now I'm, returning back to the hotel, walking just towards the hotel. And very nice evening. I just removing mask sometimes while nobody is there, maintaining that social distance, just to capture few videos for you, so you can see the around beautiful evening and very nice I'm going just towards my hotel. Very nice. You can see the hotels are open. People are coming for their dinner. I will take my dinner in my hotel. So temperature is very nice. Weather is good. So one day stay in Dubai was very memorable. So I just came around my hotel. We'll see now.
Hi friend, I think you can see the Varna Resort now. I'm just staying outside that Varna Resort, and I just taking this video from outside the Varna Resort. And here I'm staying, and the very closer to the sea. It's just a 5 minutes walk, and tomorrow morning I'm going to go to the sea. So I will show you that videos. So it's very nice place and very nice evening. I enjoy a lot here. So tomorrow I am moving towards Abu Dhabi. So this is tonight is the last night here to stay. One day I have to stay because the medical reports which I have received SMS few hours before, and it's COVID negative. So I can move to the Dubai. I can move to the Abu Dhabi, my destinations. Okay. So if you are planning to visit UAE, you are most welcome. It's nice. Only you have to follow the guideline, and whatever the guideline government has given, so you need to strictly follow that, including the mask. I have the mask with me. I just to take the video only, I just open it. In the open place, you can see around me nobody is there. So I will just wear it again, so that the message is you must follow the mask. Okay. So this is the message I wanted to tell you. So you need to fully cover, and then you can walk through, because there is a heavy fine if you don't follow the procedure. Okay. So let us see. Hi friend. Now I am trying to travel to Abu Dhabi from Dubai, and there is a lot of restriction. What I was told by these resorts persons, and they said 14 days quarantine. After that only I will be able to travel to Abu Dhabi. So there is some ambiguity. I'm not sure about that. So I wanted to take a chance. So I thought let me go through that, and let me try. If I'm not able to allow to cross the border, then I have to come back.